While we all are happy that the lockdown has been lifted in India, but our economy isn't really doing well. Previously on this channel, we talked about Gold's Gym filing for bankruptcy, and I knew it won't be long enough that we would start to see the similar downfall in India. In today's video, we are going to talk about the shutdown of last manufacturing unit of Atlas Cycles. Namaste everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I am Pooja Sharma. Did you know that 3rd June is celebrated as World Bicycle Day? Bicycles have been in use for more than 200 years now. They are simple, affordable, and eco-friendly means of transportation. And when on 3rd June, all the bicycle companies were celebrating World Bicycle Day, it wasn't a moment of celebration for Atlas Cycles. If you don't know about Atlas Cycles, here is some information. Atlas Cycles was founded by Shri Janki Das Kapur in the year 1951. By 1965, it emerged as India's largest cycle manufacturer. Atlas is one of the top bicycle manufacturing companies in the entire world with the capacity to produce 4 million cycles per year. Yes, 40 lakhs cycles per year. Can you imagine? I don't even have one. Not only this, it was the official supplier of bicycles to the Asian Games in the year 1982. But from the past few years, the company isn't really doing well. It has delivered poor growth, that is negative 3.7% for the past 5 years, and the return on equity is even worse, which is negative 15.7% for the past 3 years. On 2nd June 2020, the company released a notice announcing the disruption of operation. The notice said that it is difficult for the company to continue its day-to-day operations because of financial constraints. And the company has laid off the employees of the unit with effect from 3rd June 2020 till adequate arrangement of funds is made. The spokesperson at Atlas said that it has laid off 431 employees and they will be getting only 50% of the salary during this layoff period. Atlas had 3 manufacturing units, one in Sonipat, Haryana, second in Mallanpur, Madhya Pradesh, and third in Saibabad, Uttar Pradesh. The company started making losses in the year 2014 and its first plant in Mallanpur, Madhya Pradesh was shut down in December 2014. The losses continued and its second plant in Sonipat, Haryana was shut down in the year 2018. Saibabad unit was the last unit which was closed on 3rd June, that is World Bicycle Day. Now, what lies ahead for the company? Well, for now, the spokesperson had said that they have filed an application to NCLT, that is National Company Law Tribunal, to seek approval to sell off their surplus land. And as and when the approval is granted, they will sell off their surplus land and pay off the vendors. As of now, the company owes 120 crores to about 80 vendors in Ludhiana. The spokesperson also said that they need small fund to run day-to-day operations and they're just looking for rupees 50 crores as of now. NP Singh Rana, the CEO of the company, is quite positive about bouncing back. He said that market is very good and demand is not the problem, and above all, they have a strong base of dealers and vendors, and they're a 70-year-old brand and they will bounce back. On the other hand, the employees have threatened to protest if the unit does not open soon. Well, for now, we can only hope that Atlas Cycles manages to raise the fund it needs to run day-to-day operations. What do you think? Will Atlas Cycles bounce back, or we'll have to say goodbye to a 70-year-old brand? Let me know in the comment section. That's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. If you found the video knowledgeable, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Namaste, bye bye, take care.